Hi there and welcome all. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the Proceum E-Learning Platform specifically for Phase 3 Part 2 MBBS, which is nothing but called as the final year MBBS. So here the Proceum introduces a revolutionary learning management system tailored to meet the exact requirements of the competency-based medical education curriculum proposed at 2024. Which is prescribed by the National Medical Commission. So this Proceum platform is designed to provide medical students and educators with the most advanced tools and resources, ensuring success in today's competitive and ever-evolving healthcare landscape. So whether you are a student preparing for the academic excellence or an educator looking for innovative teaching aids, Proceum serves as an ideal partner to redefine learning and teaching in medical education. So you might be thinking, why Proceum is the ultimate choice? So one thing I want to make it very clear here, that the Proceum is the only platform offering content that is fully aligned with the latest CBME curriculum. So it is not just about learning, it's about transforming the way students understand, retain and apply the medical knowledge. The final year of MBBS under the CBME curriculum focuses on core clinical subjects and allied specialties. These subjects are very crucial for understanding advanced medical and surgical concepts, maternal and child care, and allied health disciplines. If we focus on the subjects over here, we have the general medicine, which includes 29 topics with 525 competences. Next is the general surgery, comprises 30 topics with 133 competences. The Obstetrics and Gynecology contains 38 topics with 141 competences. Pediatrics covers 35 topics with 406 competences. And the Dermatology comprises 15 topics with 48 competences. Orthopedics includes 14 topics with 40 competences. Anesthesiology comprises 11 topics with 52 competences. Psychiatry covers 13 topics with 17 competences. And finally, the radiodiagnosis includes 7 topics with 21 competences. So the total competences for all these subjects include 1383 as per the latest CBME curriculum. So let me explain what Proceum is providing for the final year MBBS based on the current CBME curriculum. To complement the current CBME framework, Proceum offers a vast and detailed content repository that ensures students are well equipped with all the tools they needed for academic and clinical success. So for the final year of MBBS, Proceum has around 1,152 video lectures, which are animated video lectures, and 1,000 plus detailed lecture notes, 2,000 plus multiple choice questions, and 2,000 plus are the case-based scenarios. So this is what is Proceum providing for the final year of MBBS. So now, how Proceum enhances your learning journey? So remember guys, Proceum is not just another educational platform. It is a well-structured approach designed to ensure success for all of you. So the learning journey actually begins by watching the animated video lectures first, where the complex topics are broken down into simple, visually engaging formats to help you to grasp the fundamentals effortlessly. So once the foundational concepts are much clear, students can move towards a detailed lecture notes which is tagged for every video. And these notes are designed to reinforce understanding, providing in-depth coverage of every topic and solidify the knowledge gained through the videos. And also, to further test and strengthen your knowledge, Proceum offers a topic-specific multiple choice questions where nobody are providing this. So with immediate feedback and detailed explanation for each answer, these MCQs not only help you to assess your learning but also provide insights to the areas where most questions are framed and aligning your preparation with the postgraduate entrance exams like National Exit Test and USMLE or NEETPG or maybe FMG. So finally, after finishing MCQs, Proceum integrates learning with the case-based scenarios. So by applying the theoretical knowledge to the real-world clinical situations, students can develop critical reasoning skills, understanding patient care better, and think like a physician from the first day of the med school itself. So this structured and integrated approach ensures a comprehensive and effective learning experience. So now, the Proceum CBME-aligned approach is perfectly designed to ensure students achieve academic and professional excellence by mastering the concepts early and efficiently through the structured as well as the interactive content. So the students in this platform can build a solid foundation that supports their long-term learning goals. So the integration of case-based scenarios bridges a gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical application, equipping learners with the ability to think critically and act decisively just like a skilled physicians. Moreover, Proceum's focus on exam readiness ensures that students are well prepared for the postgraduate entrance exams such as National Exit Test, NEETPG and USMLE right from the beginning of their medical education journey. This comprehensive and future-focused approach enables our students to confidently meet the demands of their academic and clinical careers. So the CBME curriculum aims to develop skills and knowledge to think like a physician. So Proceum bridges the gap between the traditional teaching and clinical practice by integrating lecture-based learning with the real-world applications. So this approach empowers the students to understand how foundational knowledge translates to patient care. Access the world-class medical education content designed to support your journey to success. With Proceum, everything you need is just a click away. Visit www.proceum.com or download the Proceum app today and start exploring new standard of medical education. Proceum is where the future doctors begin their journey. Thank you.